Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Nilasgi. In this video, we are going to learn how to build bridge rectifier on multisim. Bridge rectifier. The circuit diagram of bridge rectifier consists of AC input voltage, step down transformer, bridge circuit made up of 4 diodes, RL load resistance. The AC input voltage is converted into pulsating DC. This is the AC voltage source. During the positive half cycle, diode D1, D2 becomes forward bias and diode D3, D4 becomes reverse bias. And the current flow from positive diode D1, load resistance D2, then negative. Suppose this is positive and this is negative. The current flow from diode D1, then load resistance diode D2 and negative. During the negative half cycle, this is negative and this is positive. Diode D3 and D4 becomes forward bias, D1 and D2 reverse bias. Current flows from diode D3, load resistance, then D4, then negative. Means during the positive half cycle, diode D1, D2 becomes on. During the negative half cycle, diode D3, D4 becomes on, and so on. Now, study how to build this bridge rectifier on multisim. Place component, sources, signal voltage sources, AC voltage, okay. Then we require transformer. Transformer is available in basic group. Transformer, we require step down transformer, okay. Then bridge rectifier made up of 4 diodes. It is available in diode group, full wave bridge, okay. Then we require load resistance. Resistance is available in basic group, resistor, okay. Ground, it is available in sources group, power sources, ground, okay. Now make the connection as per the circuit diagram. Means AC voltage source connected to primary of the transformer, secondary of the transformer is connected to bridge, and RL load resistance is connected across the bridge. AC voltage source is connected to primary of the transformer, secondary of the transformer is connected to the one arm of the bridge, to make the resistance in vertical position, click on the resistance, right click, rotate 90 degree clockwise, connect load resistance to bridge, then ground, make the changes of source voltage, double click, 230 volt AC, 50 Hz, okay. To see the waveform, we use oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is available on right hand side. This is a dual trace oscilloscope, means we can see 2 waveforms at a time. For channel A, transformer output is connected. This is negative terminal. For channel B, output of load resistance is connected. differentiate between input output waveform, I am changing the color of output to blue. Okay, then double click on oscilloscope, then run, adjust the scale, this red one, it is a AC input voltage waveform, and blue one is pulsating DC across load resistance. Means during the positive half cycle D1 D2 is on, during the negative half cycle D3 D4 becomes on. We get such type of waveform across load resistance. This type of waveform across load resistance. See.